Are you looking for a way to make money online? Dropshipping might be the answer for you. In this video, we'll explain the steps to start a successful dropshipping business. First, choose a niche or product category to focus on. You want to find a profitable niche, but also one that you're interested in and passionate about. Next, research and find reliable suppliers who offer quality products and fast shipping. Platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, and Spocket can help you find suppliers and products. Then, create a website or online store to showcase your products. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce make it easy to set up a professional-looking store. When your store is set up, start promoting your products through social media, search engine optimization, SEO, and other marketing channels. When customers place orders in your store, forward those orders to your supplier, who will then ship the products directly to your customers. It's important to provide excellent customer service, including prompt responses to customer inquiries and fast shipping times. You'll also need to continually analyze and optimize your store and product offerings to stay competitive and profitable. Overall, dropshipping can be a great way to make money online. By following these steps and putting in the effort, you can build a successful dropshipping business. That's it for now. Good luck with your dropshipping business and thanks for watching.